guys, welcome back to Views from Flo, Violet and Flo, and my sister is Violet, but she's not doing the video today. So today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets in this basket. Let's crack on. So first of all, I am going to show you my butterfly puppet. Just like this. And then pop this back through. You've all seen these. So yeah, so that's really cool. So next one, I'm going to, I've got this heart one. My sister has got lots more, but we'll bring them in next time. That's quite cool and stuff. That's cool. So next one, these 4 tubs are like the doom. You don't want to touch them; they just rip apart. So we're gonna move on from them. Next, I am this little squishy, he's really squishy. He's like Papa. Like the thing, so it's like this. So yeah, it's quite cool. It's like this. You can it's got all these. Like that, so let's move on. Next, I've got this cube which turns, and you have to put this mask on and try and complete it. It's a bit like a Rubik's Cube, but you have to feel like the different patterns and stuff. You've got this really spiky one, and it kind of scratches your hands a bit. But yeah, that's quite cool. Now let's move on. We've got this spinner, so like spins. See if I can do it. That's spin. So I'm going to show you quickly. So I'm just going to do it down here. So it like spins like that, and it spins round. And so it looks like this on the front. You get them in most toy shops. Yes. Now that was that. I'm going to now show you this. So this is a Rubik's Cube, but there's a bit of a change to it. So they've got, goes like this, but you could say anytime I've completed it, but it is completed, but look, because they all change, you could mess it around and still it would still look the same. It does actually, it's actually the same, but that's quite cool and stuff. So yeah, now I am going to show you I'm trying to complete this. Right, let's try and complete this. I can't complete it. So that's like that. That's quite cool. Last one. We've got these. This. I can't remember what they are called actually. I have to have a look. They like twizzle and stuff, which is quite cool. You can make different things. Like quite cool. Yeah. But yeah, they're quite cool. So now I'm going to ask you a quick question. So which is your favourite type of fidget? So I'm just going to quickly go through them again. First, got this one. We got the thing where you cover over your eye. We've got the 2 poppets. So you can choose the poppets. Choose the squishy monster. You can choose the really bad bead clay. Or you can choose this one, magic cube, where you have to you can look, but it's still really hard to do. This one, twizzly thing, I love this one, but it's really cool. My favourites would probably be the poppets and this one, so you can choose 2, which would be quite cool. Hope you liked that video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a great thumbs up. yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye. Well, actually, one thing, I am going to, in my next video, which will be after this video, I'm going to do 2 videos today. I will be reviewing this Christmas train track. So yeah, that's exciting. So, love you all. Bye.